Hello, Nahar. How are you?
Hey, good Ella, how you doing? You actually catch me exactly in the middle of cooking lunch here.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I was wondering about the next video, and I was thinking about some tips successful eBay dropshippers never share. So I was wondering if you would like to share some of those with our viewers.
Sure, of course, let's do it. Let's give everything we have.
Perfect. Okay, have a good lunch, and I'll see you later.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. Hello, Zikers. Ella here from Zik. Oh, yes, we are so doing this. I'm ready to share 5 tips successful eBay dropshippers never share. Tips given by the founder of Zik Analytics himself, Nahar Geva. Let's start with tip number 1, which is to never leave your eBay account to rest. Big eBay sellers know that in order to keep the eBay algorithm in our favor, we need to be active. So what does it mean to be active? Well, this means list items to your store at least once a day. It would be in your favor to find high demand and low competition items that you can sell for profit. There are different product research strategies that we recommend for different stages, and you can check out the video above to learn more about it. Anyhow, this job needs to get done. It can't happen on its own. It's very important that you log into your eBay account every day. And I'm not just saying once a day, but a couple of times a day. This way, you are always quick with answering your customer service messages. You are able to change prices and or optimize titles for products that are selling slow or maybe not selling at all. Always be sure to send messages to your customers after the item has sold and when it has been shipped. This is very important for your customer feedback score and your rating on eBay. Tip 2. This one, it makes a lot of sense, and it is sell your best-selling products on more marketplaces. So before we move on, I am really interested in hearing from you about which eBay marketplaces you're selling on. Comment below. So now, if you're selling on eBay.com, you'll want to list your top selling items on eBay UK, eBay Germany, eBay Australia, and eBay Canada. If your account is on eBay.com, eBay allows you to list 50 items for free on each platform. So you can use it to increase your sales. If your account is on eBay UK, you can list 1,000 items for free on each marketplace. So please take advantage of it. All right, guys, so if you like the content so far, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. That way, your YouTube will always be filled with informative videos about dropshipping. You'll never have to look too far to get what you're searching for. Tip 3. Now, we've covered this tip a couple of times through our bestseller videos, and I feel like it's an important tip when it comes to selling to the masses. Sell products with Spanish titles. Bet you didn't think of this. Want to know why this is a great tip? Well, in the last year, competition on eBay increased by a lot, while the Spanish title market stayed untapped with very low competition, which makes it the biggest opportunity on eBay in 2021. If you want to gather more information on how to do this and how to find these products to sell, watch this video to learn how. Tip 4, optimize your store categories to get more traffic and increase your conversion rate. What that means is getting your products ranked higher on the eBay search results by applying SEO into the categories. So this allows for easy access to products, guiding your customer to the product category he wants to shop, which in return means more sales because you would be getting your product to appear in cross sales, and eBay promotions. It also means easy movement of listings, and this helps the customer browse your catalog. And while the customer browses your catalog, they find other items to buy. Now, if you want to learn more about store categories, on how to set up an eBay store with perfectly optimized categories, check out this video here. And last but not least, tip 5, remove defect and negative feedback anytime you get one. And yes, this is possible. In fact, 99% of defects and negative feedback can be removed. If you know what to say. Advanced eBay sellers know that, and now you know it as well. What you need to do is always think of an explanation that will satisfy the eBay agent. Now, one of the strongest cases you can use is a natural disaster. So, as by eBay policies, every defect or negative feedback caused by a natural disaster has to be removed immediately. There are also service providers you can contact to do the dirty work for you. All right, guys, so those were the 5 tips successful eBay dropshippers never share. So be careful, you're being watched. Nah, I'm just kidding. Hopefully you can increase your sales using these tips. Take care.